In today's video, we're going to explore the top 3 Homework Helper AI Math Solver apps for Android that can make tackling math problems a breeze. Let's get started. AI Math Scanner Homework Help. AI Math Scanner Homework Help is an innovative app that allows students to scan their math problems using their smartphone camera. The app employs advanced optical character recognition, OCR technology, to read the problems and then provide step-by-step solutions. This feature not only helps students understand the solving process, but also clarifies concepts they may find difficult. The app covers a wide array of math topics, including algebra, geometry, and calculus. With its user-friendly interface, students can quickly learn and tackle their homework challenges effectively. Homework Helper AI Math Solver Android. Homework Helper AI Math Solver is a versatile app designed to assist students with various math problems. Users can input problems manually or use the camera feature to capture them. The app provides detailed solutions and explanations, breaking down the steps involved in reaching the answer. This approach enables students to grasp underlying mathematical concepts better. It covers a broad spectrum of subjects, from basic arithmetic to advanced topics. The app also includes a built-in graphing calculator and tools for geometry, making it a comprehensive resource for students of all levels. Calculator AI Math Solver. Calculator AI Math Solver is a powerful math-solving app that combines traditional calculator functions with AI capabilities. Users can input equations, and the app will provide instant solutions along with step-by-step explanations. It can handle a wide range of mathematical tasks, including calculus, algebra, and statistics. The app also offers a graphing feature, allowing users to visualize functions and equations easily. With its sleek design and intuitive interface, Calculator AI Math Solver makes it easy for students to get quick answers while deepening their understanding of mathematical concepts. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of AI Math Scanner Homework Help, Homework Helper AI Math Solver, and Calculator AI Math Solver helps you find the perfect app to aid your math studies. Until next time, happy studying.